Thank you for watching. My name's Doug. This is Doug's Open Air Classics. So today I'm at Ty Common Road, Cosy Cup. It's a cars and coffee meet organised by Steve of Steve's Breakfast Clubs. So Steve has got a Facebook page, which I'd highly recommend you join. If you live in the Essex area, he organises really good meets. Regular meets, this one, the one at Northwood Airfield and others as well. This meet I particularly like because this is a pre-90s meet held every month on various Saturdays during the month. So check his Facebook page to see when the meets are. So I'm just going to do a walk around of the meet so you can get an idea what's here. There's some brilliant cars here again. I won't chat all the way through this one. I probably will load a video up of today with me just talking through it, but this one I'm going to overlay some music on it. I hope you enjoy the cars as much as I do. Thank you. Absolutely brilliant. So that's a brief overview of the cars that are here. I'm going to load up some separate videos of this meet. Right, so the Cosy Cup, Thai Common Road, Billericay, Steve's Breakfast Meets, organised by Steve, obviously. If you can make it here, these meets are always great. I'd highly recommend it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I'd really appreciate you for that. I'll hopefully see you soon. And if you're local to the Essex area, right, it's a bit cheeky for me to ask. If you was happy just to take me around a block in your car, I am all about cars. So that'd be great if you see me at a meet and you don't mind. Just literally take me around the block. Or if you want to chat about your car, your car's got interesting history, that'd be absolutely amazing. Okay, keep safe, happy motoring, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Thank you.